Hi, I'm Senior Airman Andrea Wright from Bagram Airfield, and this is Freedom Watch Afghanistan. Bagram Airfield was hit with one round of indirect fire Wednesday night. A rocket struck an unoccupied area of the Bagram flight line. There were no casualties, and a joint coalition and Afghan investigation is underway. Earlier on Wednesday, Afghan and coalition forces arrested 6 suspected militants during an operation near the city of Khost in eastern Afghanistan. The combined operation targeted multiple individuals with connections to extremist organizations in the area. No shots were fired during the operation, and there were no injuries to civilians or military personnel. It's been a very busy start to the year for C-130 crews flying vital airlift missions out of Bagram. Tech Sergeant Melanie Adams brings us this update.
C-130 air crews from Bagram Airfield have flown 50 missions and dropped almost 500,000 pounds of supplies in the past 45 days. The payloads are carefully loaded onto the aircraft and secured for travel to some of the most remote parts of Afghanistan. Fortunately, the latest airdrop technology allows the crews to fly at higher altitudes and still come within 300 feet of their target. Global positioning satellite receivers attached to the parachutes on the supplies direct the flight of the supplies headed to the ground. The technology even allows crews to deliver supplies to multiple drop zones with one drop. Recipients on the ground get what they need to stay in the fight, and air crews are out of harm's way. Tech Sergeant Melanie Adams, Bagram Airfield, Afghanistan.
The C-130 Hercules is extremely versatile. In addition to airlift, it can perform a variety of missions, including assault landings on unimproved runways. Still to come on Freedom Watch Afghanistan, see how soldiers at Forward Operating Base Salerno keep helicopters mission ready.
Today's pictures of progress show airmen from the 755th Expeditionary Mission Support Group's Explosive Ordnance Disposal Team finding and destroying a weapons cache. The airmen carefully load the weapons found during a search into a pit before using C4 explosives to destroy them. The airmen then clear the area, ensuring the safety of the local villagers.
My name is Sergeant Gibbs, and I work down the HCA yard. My job, as of right now, is the distribution of humanitarian supplies. What we do is we get local vendors, we order food, clothing, tarps, things such as that the locals need, and we load them up and distribute them out to different FOBs and villages in support of the locals.
Like the C-130, helicopters also fly a variety of missions in Afghanistan, providing everything from airlift to close air support. Helos are in the sky around the clock. Corporal Nick DiOrio takes us to Forward Operating Base Salerno, where a group of dedicated soldiers ensure the aircraft are ready for any mission.
Helicopter mechanics play an important role at Forward Operating Base Salerno. The soldiers' hard work allows pilots to use the aircraft safely. The soldiers perform regular maintenance, but also must be prepared to fix unexpected problems at a moment's notice. Their work ensures the helicopters stay mission ready.
Our primary job we used to do, as you can see now, what we're doing is a UH-60 Black Hawk phase. This is basically preventive maintenance inspection. We take certain aircraft parts down and inspect them, and if it's good, we put it back on. If the part is bad or don't meet the inspection criteria, we replace the part. You learn something new every day. I like doing a task on an aircraft, fixing something and knowing it works good, putting out a good product.
It's pretty satisfying because when you see the aircraft from needing the maintenance that it needs to happen to actually going out there and seeing that the aircraft are actually going back out there flying, doing its mission, and they come back and all the crews come back safely, and that's the most satisfying thing of this job.
A job that ensures helicopters at Salerno stay ready to fight. Important work that helps U.S. and coalition forces accomplish the mission. Marine Corporal Nick DiOrio, Forward Operating Base Salerno, Afghanistan.
And that's it for this edition of Freedom Watch Afghanistan. I'm Senior Airman Andrea Wright. Thanks for watching.